Hello again, it's me, earthmanbrick. Now, I've previously done a video on some of these, the Meng Toon planes. And these are really good. I think they come from China, and they're made really good. They have all the details and stuff on the outside of the box there, so you can see where all the bits go, all the instructions here, what the actual sprue frames look like, and it's all very nicely detailed and colored. So yes, I'm going to be looking forward to making these and turning them all into Orky style planes. I've already done a video on one of them, not any of the ones here, but one that's similar. There'll be a link in the description below for that one. And these are all going to get turned into Orky planes. I'll do separate videos on these ones. But after making one of these, I thought, that's brilliant. And these are all about 15 quid each, which is pretty damn reasonably priced, considering most kits of this kind of quality and caliber are usually about double that. But I had a look and I saw some Airfix kits in Lidl of all places. And I was kind of blown away by these because, well, there's a price there. It's usually $6.99, but I got 30% off on this one. So I managed to get it for less than a £5. Now, I think these are maybe slightly smaller. Says length 127 millimeters, 156 by 156 millimeters. So what's the scale on this one? Does it say? Should say. It's actually got some details about the plane. That's nice. Come on, where's the product dimensions? Oh well, points off for Meng. You didn't put the product size on there. But they're probably about the same size, to be fair. But with these ones, you also get 4 paints, a paintbrush, and polystyrene cement. Says it right there. How good is that? Not bad for a bloody £5, that's for sure. Ahoy there, mateys, earthmanbrick here. It's time-lapse time, so on opening the kit, we got lots of cool paints, brush, and polystyrene cement, none of which we'll use for the build. Also, instructions, which went straight into the recycling. Now for the plane itself. It was way too small. Card and bottle caps were added to fix its small frame and bulk it out. Once happy with the overall shape, Orky panels were plastered onto the build. As a gap-filling exercise, homemade textured paint was added too. Exhausts were made from plastic tubing and cables. We used some round saw blades too to act as the propellers. Very nice. Okay, just a little last minute bit. I've got this on a bit of a spike here that was a piece of wire that I've just wrapped some paper around to get it to the right thickness so that it'll slot in and fit in here rather snugly. And as you can see, it's a pretty tight fit, but it's still loose enough that you can still rotate it. So you can put it where you want it to be. And the base is more than strong enough to hold it in any kind of position as well. Last little bit here as well is the canopy. I made it so that you can lift it up and see the little grot inside. Not sure if you'll be able to see the control panels and such, but no, you can see that these arms, I just half-assed them. They're literally just rectangular logs. Not a whole lot going on there. And it fits quite snugly. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this little build. If you didn't, well, I tried. Anyway, bye from me for now. Lastly, the paint job was a pretty basic mix of oil and acrylic paints. Finishing touch was to add some shooters, which there'll be links down below on how I scratch built the saw blades, shooters and Orky panels. But that's all I've got for you today, so bugger off! Bye!